नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये. We were in the Uttarakanda of Sri Valmiki Ramayana, and we were with the people of Ayodhya during the conduct of the Ashwamedha Yajna by King Rama. And we saw last time how meticulously the Ashwamedha Yajna had been organized and was getting executed, and we saw the huge, like right now we're having Kumbh Mela, right? So it's like that, Kumbh Mela type of gathering for the Ashwamedha Yajna of Rama. You can imagine. All the sadhus that you see here, they were all there and more during the course of the Yajna. And Valmiki had also come there along with his disciples, and they had set up a camp not far from the place where the main Ashwamedha Yajna rites were to be performed, not far from there. They had set up their huts, etc. And Valmiki had instructed his two disciples, Lava and Kusha, that they should now be prepared to go and share the Ramayana that they have learnt with the people of Ayodhya. So he had told them that they should go and sing the entire Ramayana, putting their hearts into it. ऋषिवाटेषु पुण्येषु ब्राह्मणा वसतेषु च रथ्यासु राजमार्गेषु पार्थिवानां गृहेषु च. He said you must specially sing it in those places where the rishis are camping. You must specially sing it in the quarters where brahmanas are living. You must sing it in the rajamargas, in the main thoroughfares, the big royal Rajpaths, and you must also sing it in the camps where kings are staying. You must sing it outside Rama's palace. You must sing it yatra karma cha kurvate, where the great Ashwamedha Yajna sacrifice is happening. There you must sing it. You must sing it Ritvijamagradaschaiva tatrageyam visheshatah. Visheshatah, especially you must sing it in front of the Ritviks who are conducting that sacrifice. In front of those Purohitas, the Brahmas, the Hotas, those Purohitas, you must sing that. Imani cha phalanyatra swadhuni vividhani cha jatani parvatagreshu Jaswadyatam nayasita shramam vatsau bhakshitva phalanyata. And he said, you should sustain yourself on these sweet fruits which have been grown in the slopes of mountains. And by living only on these fruits, you will not be fatigued because of your work, and your voices also will not get affected. And if King Rama should ask you to sing in a special assembly of sages and others, then you must do so. You should do so. But you should sing always observing all the rules of the art that you have learnt. दिवसे विंशतिः सर्गा गेया मधुरया गिरा प्रमाणैर्बहुभिस्तत्र यथोद्दिष्टा मया पुरा. In your sweet voice, you must sing 20 cantos per day. Taking care to observe the canto divisions and all the number of verses in the cantos, etc. Taking care to observe all that, which Mayodhishta Yatapura has taught by me to you. You must keep it properly in mind and sing this. लोभश्चापि न कर्तव्यः स्वल्पोऽपि धनवाञ्छया किं धनेनाश्रमस्थानां फलमूलाशिनां सदा. Even a little bit you must not have, you must not succumb to greed for any kind of money, any kind of wealth. A little bit. We are ashram vasis. What will we do? We have to eat fruits and roots. What do we do with money? यदि पृच्छसे यदि पृच्छेत काकुत्स्थो युवां कस्येति धारकौ आवां वाल्मीकिर्दः शिष्यौ द्वौ ब्रूतमेव नराधिपम् शिष्यौ द्वौ ब्रूतमेव नराधिपम्. If Rama should perchance ask you whose children you are, you should tell them, you should tell him, tell the king that we are Valmiki's disciples. इमातन्त्री सुमधुरा स्थानं वा पूर्वदर्शनं मूर्छयित्वा सुमधुरं गायतां विगतज्जरौ. And then he had given them a special veena, which produced the most delightful music. And he had pointed out certain sthanas in that veena, which produce apurva swaras. And he told them that tune it. And having tuned this veena, sweet, and establishing the rare mode that you wish to play, gayatam vigatajjara, without any anxiety, go sing. All hard work, effort, everything needs to be put to the T. Then you are a hero. Then you go fight. No anxiety then. Then it's muscle memory. Then you just go. आदिप्रभृतिगेयं स्यात् नाचवज्ञाय पार्थिवं पिता हि सर्वभूतानां राजा भविति धर्मतः. Sing right from the beginning, the whole of the Ramayana. And remember, you should show no disrespect to the king. To forest dwelling boys, they may not care for the king. Hey, go. Right? It happens sometimes. This business of being courteous is a very difficult one. I have known some very great, at least I know of one, there may be more, who have lost that part. They don't know. So he's saying, no account you should show disrespect to the king because Pita hi sarva bhutanam raja bhaviti dharmata. Because the king, as per dharma, is the father of all. तद्युवां हृष्टमनसौ स्वप्रभाते समाहितौ गायतं मधुरं गेयं तन्त्रीलयसमन्वितम्. So tomorrow, Shwah Prabhate, morning, Ishtamanasau, with happy minds, happy hearts, Samahitau, having gathered your full attention, focused, composed, Samahitau. Gayata Madhuram Geyam, sing melodiously this song, Ramayana along with your veena and your time. Tantri Laya Samanvitam. So he elaborately instructed these two boys and they told him, Tathaiva Karavava, we will do just like that, just as you say. And just as the Ashwini twins had gathered the Niti Samhita of Shukracharya and completely got it in their hearts, like that, Lava and Kusha had got the whole of Ramayana in totally the music Shastra, everything that they learnt, everything was gathered in. These instructions that had been given were all absolutely soaked into their instinct now. Everything was clear. And that night, with great happiness filling their hearts, they slept with great sukha, gladly looking forward to the morning when they could go out. We saw all this last time. And we saw this scene has been described in Uttarakanda and also in Balakanda. So we went to Balakandam, where we find that Kavyam Ramayanam Krishnam Sitaya Charitam Mahat Paulastya Vadamityeva Chakara Paritacharita Vrata. That he had taught them the entire Ramayana, which was called as Sitaya Charitam Mahat, the great story of Sita. And Paulastya Vadam, the killing of Ravana. And it was equally pleasant to hear, equally pleasant to recite. It could be sung to the three scales, all seven notes, the accompaniment of strings and musical instruments. It had all the rasas. We saw all that. Khasya, Shringara, Karunya, Raudra, Veera, Bhayanaka, Bibhatsa, Adirasayuktam, Kavyametadagayata. Adirasayuktam. You're not saying these are the only ones. And such, all rasas were there in this Kavyametad. Please sing this song. Somewhere there we stopped, so we move forward from there. तौराजपुत्रौ कार्ष्णेन धर्मव्याख्यानमुत्तमं वाचो विधेयं तत्सर्वं कृत्वा काव्यमनिन्दितौ ऋषीणां च द्विजातीनां साधूनां च समागमे यथोपदेशं तत्त्वज्ञौ जगतुस्सुसमाहितौ तौराजपुत्रौ कार्ष्णेन धर्ममाख्यानमुत्तमम्. They had learnt by rote the entire story. Those who, even now, there are those who are the very, very deep traditional Ramayana Kathavachakas, they will know the entire Ramayana by heart. Both here, South India and North India. North India also, the Valmiki Ramayana, they'll know by heart. The great ones. And some of them, therefore, I think they are also called, those who know it by heart are called Ramayani. They'll get the title. I mean, that means they know. It's something actually to know it entirely by heart. It's not small. This is the mind is capable of this. It's not that they're, it's a training, it's a learning. It's possible. So they had learnt it by the entire thing by rote. In fact, even Veda, no, when you say Veda, when you have to put a child to Veda Dhyanam, the acharyas generally like it that you put the child before it's 12 years old, not after that. Because at the age of 6, 7, etc., the capability to absorb is vast. So sit in. You can put in lot. Kripananda Varyar used to say that by the time he is a Tamil in the Shaiva Siddhanta and the Murugan Bhakti is the greatest. In fact, some of them call him the 64th Nayanmar. He's that great. So he used to say by the time he was 11 or 12, his parents had. He says, where does it come from? He says it comes from an overhead tank. All the thing. He says, by the time I was 11 or 12, my parents had some 15,000-20,000 the Tamil verses they had raced into the overhead tank. It's there already. Can be opened with the tap. It's an important time which we have learned to lose. Now, they knew the entire thing. Beautiful Ramayana, full of dharmam. They sang the poem. They were now out. We saw early morning. They got up, they did the Agnihotra that they were supposed to do, Samita Dhanam as brahmacharis, and then they had gone out into the open to sing. And they sang everywhere that they were instructed to. Saw a gathering of sages and Rajamarga here and there, they were singing. And they came upon a large gathering of sages. So they are singing that. तच्छ्रुत्वा मुनयः सर्वे बाष्पर्याकुलेक्षणाः साधु साध्विदिता ऊचुः परं विस्मयमागताः. There were those rishis, munis, who were in Kashtamona, they had not ever spoken. But till children, when these boys sang the Ramayana and they were hearing it, they could not stop themselves from breaking voice and saying, Sadhu, Sadhu. So beautiful, they said. Param Vismayamagata, they were wonderstruck. Te Pritamanas Sarve Munayo Dharma Vatsala Prashamsur Prashastavyo Gayamanau Kushilavau. All these sages were Dharma Vatsala, lovers of Dharma. They were extremely Prita Manasa. They were extremely pleased in their hearts and they praised these very praiseworthy boys abundantly and they said, Oh Gitasya Madhuryam Slokanam Cha Visheshata Chiranivrittamapi Edat Pratyakshamiva Darshitam. Oh Gitasya Madhuryam. Oh, how beautiful this song is. Slokanam cha visheshata. Oh, you especially the slokas, how beautifully they have been written, composed. This is the first Adikavyam. Before that, there was no poetry. How beautifully this has been composed. Chiranivrittam apyetat pratyakshamiva darshitam. And although it has happened so long back, these boys, the way they are singing it, it's pratyakshamiva darshitam. It is as if we are seeing it right in front of our eyes. The whole thing is coming in front of our eyes. Pravishyadavubhau sushtu bhavam samyagayatam sahidav maduram raktam sampannam swara sampada. Pravishyadavubhau sushtu bhavam samyagayatam. These two boys have pravishtau tavubhau sushtu bhavam. They have practically entered into the bhava of all that they are singing. Excellently. Sushtu, Bhavam, Pravishav. They have entered into it. They have gone into it. They are singing with that. Samyak gayatam, excellently they are singing. Sahito madhuram raktam sampannam swarasampada. It is melodious and raktam. Sahitam madhuram raktam sampannam. Raktam sampannam. Because the bhava, that raga is there. Raga means that love, that attachment, that prema, whatever you want to call it. That Swarasampada and beautiful notes it's endowed with. See, raga, it's sometimes we get confused. So the raga dvesha is supposed to be bad. Bhagavad Gita says you should not have raga dvesha. You should not have attachment. You should not have aversion, right? So there was this brahmachari or whoever was about whom some discussion, I think in some context. He was with Udiya Baba, great sage. In some context, he told, I think, the author who wrote this, that boy, he has no raga. He said, if he has no raga, that's just good, no? It's good, no? सूर्य बाबा से अगर राग नहीं है तो वैराग्य भी कहाँ से आएगा? These are not conflicting. It's a complex subject, but it is so. So with raga there, with that, rakta sampannam, rakta, blood means actually raga, same thing. Red means same thing. Red is rakta in Sanskrit. Rakta is blood. Rakta is also raga. It is the essence of bhava. Essence of bhava is your blood. So it had that, let us say, that bloodiness in it. They were singing. So that's what these sages said. प्रीतः कश्चिन्मुनिस्ताभ्यां संसितः कलशं ददौ प्रसन्नो वल्कलं कश्चित् ददौ ताभ्यां महायशः प्रीतः कश्चिन्मुनिस्ताभ्यां संसितः कलशं ददौ. Pleased, some of the sages there who were seated there, they gave them kalasham, water pitch. Hey, take to these boys. As in their happiness, they gave them kalasha, shambhu. Prasanno valkalam kachchitadau tabhyam mahayasha. Some were very happy. They gave them valkala garment, tree bark garment. Tree bark garment they gave to them. Anya Krishna Jinam Pradhan Mamjamanyo Mahamuni. Some gave them deer skin. Take deer skin. They gave them deer skin. Some gave them another Maunji Manyo Mahamuni. This, for with grass they make this girdle, no, to tie. That they gave. Some of them gave them that. Kaschit kamandalum pradyat yagyasutram tathapara. Some gave them kamandalu for water. Bring water. You take this. Their kamandalu they gave. You take. Some gave them yagyasutram, that is upavitam, the holy thread. Thread they gave for these boys. Take this thread. Audambarim brisimanyo japamala mathapara. Some gave them seat made of audumbara wood that they gave, so they can sit. Audumbara tree, practically every part of the tree is used in rituals, in for yagyas, etc. So the seat also they gave. Some gave japamala. Japamala. Japamala mathapara. Prasimanya tada pradhat kaupinam aparo muni. Some gave them that seat made of grass that they gave. You give, take this. Some gave them kaupina. Hey, take this. Kaupina they gave. Loincloth, cod piece they gave to these two boys. So what they have, they give. The rishis in great happiness they're giving. Tabhyam dadau dadarishta kutaram aparo munihi. A great joy. One sage god gave them an axe, it seems, for cutting tree, wood axe. Special axe he had. Take this. Take this one, useful for you in your life. Kutaram aparo munihi. Kashayam aparo vastram chiramanyo dada munihi. One gave them kashaya vastram. You can use this. Kashayam. Some gave them again tree, chiramanyo, the tree bark, different kinds of tree bark dresses. Jata bandhanamanyastu katarajum mudanvita. Mudanvita with great joy. Someone gave them kashtam rajum. There's a special fiber for tying up the matted locks. So that somebody gave that for tying your matted locks, it will be useful. So they gave that. Yagyabhandam rishih kachit kashthabaram tathavara. Yagyabhandam, some gave them the big vessel which is needed for keeping things for yagyas, conducting yagyas, etc., for ghee, etc. The bigger bhandam so that you can take. Some wanted to give them that. Other gave them, heap of wood tied up. You can use this and all that for your homum, etc. I have this extra. Take this. Kashthabharam. Ayushyamapare prahurmuda tatra maharsheya tadushaiva varan sarve muniya satyavadina. Some people didn't have anything to give perhaps, or nothing else struck them. They said, Ayushyam, they will give you life. You live long. Long life. Long life. They gave them Ayushyam apare kachit. Maharshis, they were Maharshis. Everybody was giving varas to this. Varam, Satyavadina, all of them are truth spoken. They are giving varam. What do you want to tell and all that? Acharyamidamakhyanam munina samprakirtitam param kavi namadharam samaptam cheyatakradam. They are saying, Acharyamidamakhyanam. This is a marvelous epic that you are singing. It is Ayushyam, it will give life. It will give you years. Add years to your life, prosperity, pushti janakam, sarvashruti manoharam. It is beautiful for anyone to hear. They were saying like that. And Kavina Madharam, it is clear that this is the for tomorrow's poets, this is going to be the Adharam. Kavina Madharam. Samaptam che yathakramam. It's also been yathakramam. It is going sequentially in an order. It is going in an order, and it is going to a conclusion. It's beautiful. All of that. Abhigitam idam gitam sarvagiteshu govidau ayushyam pushtidan sarvasuti manoharam. And then like that, when they were singing in the Rajamarga later, in the royal way, Rama happened to hear it. He was passing by. He saw these two boys, crowd was hanging around. What is that crowd? Two boys are singing and doing. So he heard for some time. Realized it's beautiful song, etc. Atakarmantare raja samahuya mahamunin parthivantanar vyagya panditan naigamantata. So he then quickly sent word that when the yagya is over today or tomorrow, whenever, get these boys to come to the assembly to sing. And he then quickly, his mind is very organized, so he knows who all he has to call. Quickly, one list is there. Invited audience. So, Mahamunis, great sages, here were to be invited. Parthivan, kings, all the kings who had come for the Ashwamedha Yajna were to be invited. Panditan, Naigaman, Satha, scholars, those who are well versed in Vedas and Puranas, they were to be called. Pauranikan, that is Pauranikas, who knew all the Puranas, etc. Pauranikan, Shabdavido. Shabdavido means grammarians, those who know grammar, Pakka. Because this is so beautiful. Grammarians. ये शब्दविदो ये वृद्धास्तु द्विजातयः elderly brahmanas स्वराणाम लक्षणज्ञान च उत्सुकान् द्विजसत्तमान् स्वराणाम लक्षणज्ञान च those who are expert in swara and lakshana in music, they are to be called utsukan dvijasattaman. Dvijas were keen on music, so music related one set of audience had to be called. Purely from the music perspective they must come. Listen to this. लक्षणज्ञान च गंधर्वान् नैगमान् च विशेषतः पदाक्षर समासज्ञान छन्दरुपनिष्ठितान्. लक्षणज्ञान, those who are knowers of samudrika lakshana. You can make out, as far as I understand, it is the science of being able to make out something by the looks of the person. The king has certain qualities in looks. Queen has got certain qualities in looks. Body language, all that. Eye, nose, head, shoulder. So it's a samudrika lakshana. So that thing. So a good epic has to embody all of this. So they will be able to see meanings that you and I can't see in certain verses of Ramayana, because Ramayana has got it. So Samudrika Lakshana, the Lakshana Gyans, Gandharvan, those who are Sangeeta Shastra Vidwans, they have to be called Nigama Agama scholars, Padakshara Samasagyan, those who are experts in Pada, Akshara, Samasa, all that. Long syllables, short syllables, compound words, Vedic Chandas, all of that. Swara divisions, Dirgha, Hrasva. Those are experts in that. Experts in Jyotisha Vidya, astronomy. That to be called. Ramana says, first 20 cantos, he'll say when Rama was born, this planet was there, that planet was there, that planet was there, that planet was there. He says that. Jyotishan. That to be called. Parangatan. Jyotishecha Parangatan. Experts in Jyotisha. They have to be called. Kriya Kalpa Vidaschaiva Tadha Karya Visharadhan. Kriya Kalpa Vidaschaiva. Those who are experts in Karmakanda, rituals. They have to be called. And beautiful. Tadha Karya Visharadhan. That is very, very generic. It says those who are very skillful in work. They could do work, karya, they could do adeptly. There are some set of people that the court has identified that these people do things well. So they have to be called Karya Visharadhan. They can give, any work can be assigned to them. They can do skillfully specific works. They have to be called Bhashagyan, Ingitagyan, Naigaman, Chapya Sheshata. Bhashagyan, Bhashagyan. Those who knew different languages, they had to be called. People who spoke, who know experts in different languages. That we call Ingitagyacha. Those who are great in Ingita, that is in understanding sign language, body language, language, swara, tone, etc., what is not communicated to be understood, etc. by. They had to be called. All of them were part of the audience, they had to be called. All nobles had to be called. Experts in logic, tarka, they had to be called. Nayayikas had to be called. Great scholars in all of that had to be called. Chitragyan, painters, beautiful painters, they are to be called. Vrittasutragyan, those who are masters of various sutras, they are to be called. Geeta Nritya Visharadhan, those who are experts in song and dance, Geeta Nritya Visharadam. They had to be called. Shastragyan, those who are experts in Shastra. Niti Nipunan, those who are experts in politics, the science of politics, of the science of statesmanship, all of that. Ethics, policy, foreign policy, all of that. Niti Nipunan. Vedanta Artha Prabodhakan, those who are masters of revealing the substance of Vedanta. They were to be called. Etan sarvan samaniya gatarau samaveshayat. All were gathered. And then the boys were asked to sing. So they came. Valmiki told them, because you must sing. Came. And they all, the sages, the kings, the scholars, all of these people were looking at these two boys. Valmiki says, the Ramayana says, as if they could drink these boys with their eyes, it seems. They're so beautiful, these two kids. Because of Chakshudbhyam. They could drink them. And foremost in their mind, some thoughts are coming with, they were kind of sharing with each other that, if only these boys, if they don't have this matted locks and this tree bark, they look like that Rama only. Yeah. There's not much difference, they are telling each other. They're looking very similar and all that. My top thought was that, it seems. The first 20 cantos were sung by these boys. Rama heard first 20 cantos with great joy. Here or in the earlier Balakandam, it comes that when he is listening, he'll be up there, the darbar, the throne. There in front of the audience, there, all of them are sitting. The boys are singing. And as they are singing, Rama will slowly get up and he will slowly slide down the step by step on the sides banister, slowly. To go, and he is attracted by those two boys so much by the sing, but he doesn't want to disturb the rasa bhangam. He does not want to do. So he's very unobtrusively he'll move towards the children. They say, hey. So he heard the 20 cantos, and then he told his loved brother Bharata. He turned to him and said, Ashtadashasrani suvarnasya mahatmano prayacha shigram kakustayadanyadabhikankshitam. So these two Mahatma boys, Bharata gave them 18,000 gold coins. 18,000. Ashtadasha suvarna. Sahasrani suvarnasya. Prayacha shigram. Quickly give them. Prayacha shigram. Yadanyat abhikankshitam. And if there's anything else that they would like, give that also. But give this quickly. No sooner it was here said, Bharata had brought it, he went. In no time he got that amount and he gave it to the king. Would like to give you this. His manyam to you. They said, but we cannot accept this. What shall we do with the money? They asked in astonishment. We are forest dwellers who are satisfied with the fruits and roots that grow there. What shall we do with silver and gold in the forest? That the whole audience was, wonderstruck. Absolutely wonderstruck. Including Rama, it seems. This excited the listeners as well as Rama. Ki ye kya ho gaya? This is a new one. But curiosity had been aroused, so Rama asked these boys, these youthful Mahatmas, Kim pramanamidam kavyam ka pratishtha mahatmana karta kavyasya mahata kvachasau munipungava. Kim pramanamidam kavyam ka pratishtha mahatmana karta kavyasya mahata kvachasau munipungava. How long is this poem? How long is it? Kapatishtha Mahatmanah. Who is the primary subject of this poem? Karta Kavyasya Mahata Kvachasau Muni Pungava. Who is the composer of this poem? Obviously, it is a great Muni, whoever has composed it. Where is he now? Kvachasau. They told him, the boys, the blessed Valmiki Muni is the composer of this poem. And O king, in this poem, it is your story that has been exhaustively narrated. You are the subject of this poem. And the Muni has camped not very far from the Yagyabhumi sacrificial hall. सन्निबद्धं विश्लोकानां चतुर्विंशत्सहस्रकं वाक्यानि चैव भार्गवेण तपस्विना आदिप्रभृतिवैराजन् पञ्चसर्गशतानि च काण्डानि षट्कृतानि यस्सोत्तराणि महात्मना सन्निबद्धं विश्लोकानां चतुर्विंशत्सहस्रकम्. This has been strung together, this kavya has been strung together with 24,000 verses. How long is it? It's 24,000 verses. And the great Tapasvi Bhargava means Valmiki, has included 100 legends in this story. Upakyana Shatam Chaiva. Adi Prabhrati Vairajan Panchasarga Shatanicha. And from the beginning to end, it contains 500 cantos. It is divided into 6 books, and then there is a Uttaram. There's a one after that. 7 kandas. And if you are so inclined, O king, you may hear the whole of it. Whenever you get time, between the rites, between the time that the yagya allows you, along with all here, you may like to hear when you have leisure. It is long, you may like to hear. Rama said, very good. We shall hear. Very good. And you may go. So they took leave. Rama was very happy. He returned to the Yagya Bhumi, but had to continue between Yagyas. He is coming it. Every day he was listening to it. Every day, when he could make time, they would listen. Beautiful song. The sages, the kings, and the apes, we forgot. The apes, they were all there listening. And then it struck him, as he, of course, he's known, whatever. At some stage, it struck him that these are Sita's sons. Rama. Story itself, it comes, he gave birth. These are, that has to be that. Song must have, Uttarakhanda must have come. In fact, they tell him his future also in that. What is going to happen to him? Because Valmiki tells the whole thing. So he said, listen to that. Then he sent messengers. Sent messengers who were intelligent and of unexceptionable conduct. He sent for them. He had a few messengers. See, messengers are very carefully chosen. So he sent a few messengers there. So Rama sent Hanuman. See, you can't send arbitrary people to say, this, go send this message. They mess it up. So, good conduct messengers that we sent. And he told them in the midst of the assembly, please go and tell the blessed sage Valmiki from me. Please go and meet the sage Valmiki and tell him, Yadi Shuddha Samachara Yadi Vavita Kalmasha Karot Yihat Manah Shuddhim Manumanya Mahamunim. He understood Sita is with him. So He said, please tell the sage from my side, Yadi Suddha Samachara, if she is free from taint, Yadi Va Vita Kalmasha, she is blameless in her conduct, Karoti Iha Atmanah Shuddhim, Anumanyam Hamunim, then let her, after taking your view, I would like her to come here and establish her innocence. Clear her name. Karoti hai atmana shuddhim. By herself she has to clarify. She has to come here. So please ascertain the sage's views on this and also whether Sita is inclined to do so. And then come back quick. Go and check and come back quick. Let Maithili, the daughter of Janaka, swear to her innocence in the midst of the assembly tomorrow. At dawn. And thus establish the purity of my intention also. Let her come here and swear to her innocence. Messengers left quickly. They went to Valmiki. They made prostrations to him. He was shining with his tapas and tejas. And they gently conveyed to him Rama's message, the king's message. Gently, pleasingly. Valmiki divined Rama's intentions. He signified his assent. He told the messengers, Evam bhavatu bhadram vo yada vadati raghava tatha karishyate sita daivatam hi pita patihi striyaha. Bhadram vo. May all good happen to you. First he blessed the messengers. Evam bhavatu. It will be as the king desires. God bless you, he told the messengers. It shall be yatha vadati raghava, just as what Rama has said, it will happen. Tatha karishyate Sita. Sita will do exactly that. She will come. Daivatam hi pate striya. The old time, for women, husband is God. So she'll come. The king's messengers came and told Rama, this is what the sages said. He was happy, very happy, delighted. He just quickly sent word to all the sages, king saying, everybody should assemble tomorrow morning, everybody has to be here, Sita is coming. After that, no further doubt, anybody should ask, etc. Every word went round, apes, bears, all kings, everything, word went round tomorrow morning. Something chamatkar, something would happen. Everybody knew, everybody was going, it's all happening. It's happening day. Night went off. What do we do? We are almost see. Okay, we'll just do a few verses and stop. Night was past. The sages came. They had been called. Vasishtho Vamadevascha Jabalidatha Kashyapah Vishwamitro Dirgatama Durvasascha Mahatapa Pulastyopi tada Shakti Bhargavaschaiva Vamanah Markandeyascha Dirgayuh Maudgalyascha Mahayashaha Gargaschascha Vanaschaiva Shatanandascha Dharmavid Bharadvajascha Tejasvi Agniputrascha Suprabha Narada Parvataschaiva Gautamascha Mahayashaha Katyayanah Suyagyascha Hyagascha Tapasam Nidhi Ete Chanye cha Bhavo Muneha Samshitavrataha Kautuhala Samavishtaha Sarva eva Samagataha. The galaxy of sages who had assembled in the morning included Vasishtha, Vamadeva, Javali, Kashyapa, Vishwamitra, Dirghatama, Durvasa, महातपस्वी दुर्वासा पुलस्त्य शक्ति भार्गव वामना Markandeya Dirghayu, the eternal long-lived Markandeya, Maudgalya, Garga, Chavana, the knower of Veda, Shatananda, Bharadwaja, Tejasvi, then the son of Agni, Suprabha, Narada and Parvata, Gautama, Katyayana, Suyagya, and the great storehouse, the treasury of Tapasya, Agastya. Agastya Tapasam Nidhi. Ete Chanye Bhao and other great sages. Munaya Samshitavrata, all of great vows, terrific vows. Agastya, for 12 years I'll be underwater. This type of vows. Samshitavrata. One Ekadashi is not impossible to keep it. Respect the Jains. Today they can keep these vratas. Fascinating. Especially during that month, September, around that time they have that. I've known this day, 10, 15 days, etc., they'll stay without food. Youngsters. And because of the family, they know how to do it. I mean, it's not arbitrarily. The family has got that. The grandmother will know to teach the granddaughter how to do it and how to break the fast and what to do, what not to do, how much to exert yourself, what not to do, what rest to take, what rest not to take, etc. They'll know how to tell them. Padivusha. So all of these sages had come, and they had come there impelled by Kautuhala Samanvishtaha. They all came impelled by intense wonder. That there is a wonder happening. They all knew this is a wonder. There is more to it. They know that. Likewise, came all the Rakshasas and the monkeys, apes, and people in thousands who had come from many countries. They are all assembled there. First day, first show time. They'd come. They just came off. 4 a.m. show is nowadays there, na? Early morning. Hey, all this movies you are seeing now, this hit movie, what is that? That all is early morning. Throat night also, yeah, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. And there are Marathi movies which are throat night also, ask her in Pune and all that, yeah. Yeah, the people go 12 o'clock show, the 2 o'clock night show. That's that. Yeah. People are there. People from all of different countries and all came up from a message had gone, something wonderful is happening. They all come, they know Sita is going to come. They've been invited and this is a big deal and all that. On that note, we'll conclude here today. Haranama Parvati Pataye Janaki Kanta Smaranam Gopika Jivana Smaranam Vetrivel Muruganuk Sri Sadguru Swamina Sri Anjaneya Swamina